What do you want to take along with you?
Only my Lord Krishna and my Bhagavad Gita.
Oh Lord, I have lost my husband. Now please don't make me lose my hair.
Shall we go if you are done?
No, it's itching.
Come on.
Let me scratch. I'm begging you with folded hands, Radha. Please don't do anything that leaves me embarrassed.
I think that whatever you told me outside, something of that sort has gone wrong.
So, Mohan, let Hriday take charge of your student, Radha. He will teach her.
Oh God, don't start lecturing me again. He loves you so much. Right, Gungun?
Me? What did I do, Gungun?
Nothing. Keep the food and go away from here. And just let me know if he comes back.
He... Are you talking about Mohan?
Yes, that's him. Just send him to me, please. I have got something important to tell him.
I will leave now. I need to serve the holy offering to Lord Krishna. Please eat this, okay? Thank you, Lord Krishna. Gradually, Mohan's relationship with his daughter is improving. Even if it's just because they are working together on a project, at least she's waiting for her dad. Their relationship might have mended a little. But even now, Gungun doesn't consider Mohan as her. I hope matters don't go from bad to worse. What should I do to make Mohan happy? Please give me a sign.
Whom is he going to meet in this dark and deserted alley? Where did he go? If I go home without proof, Gungun will scold me a lot.
Brother, I'm so sorry that I got late to come here. I was busy in work, that's why I could not come to meet you.
Greetings, Hriday.
Yes, how are you, Inspector?
If you don't meet me within the next 15 minutes, then I will show up at the Trivedi mansion. Hriday, you become very busy. After all, you're cleaning out the goods at the Trivedi mansion. The glittering gold chain around your neck says it all. You are feasting on dry fruits, and I'm chewing on peanuts here. That is wrong, isn't it? You should have told me that you're conning the Trivedis this time. But Hriday, don't forget, when you pull off a big heist, you need to give me a big share too. Right? I won't accept 10,000. 500,000 is what I want.
No, brother. I haven't got a single penny from Trivedi's. There is nothing. And even my mother had to give the gold bracelet to that lady.
Your mother, who never offers a glass of water to anyone without a motive, she gave her bangles. If you didn't get anything, how did you get that gold chain?
Hriday, where are you? Where are you hiding?
Come on, take it off. Give it to me. Come on, hurry up.
This is the matter, right? You take this chain. If you don't mind, can I make you wear this chain?
Okay, go ahead.
Dad?
Yes, Radha.
Yes, Dad.
I hope you're happy.
Yes, Dad.
I can't believe that you're happy.
Why, Dad?
Because I know very well that when you are genuinely happy, your joy is reflected in your eyes, not on your face. But this time around, I don't see any of that. There's a smile on your lips, but your gaze says something else. Radha, it's a fact that a father's happiness lies in his child's happiness. Let bygones be bygones. But I can't put your happiness at stake just to save my reputation and please a few outsiders. Radha, if you don't want to get married, it's your decision. As far as mom is concerned, I will talk to her. If you don't like Hriday, then just say no to the wedding. Don't overthink. Your dad is with you, right? I hope you know that.
Dad, you please don't worry. Grandma chose Hriday for me and I'm sure he's good.
Acting as an inspector, did you start taking this so serious?
What are you doing?
Mohan, please save me.
Hey.
God, there's a ghost.
What are you going on about? I called you to help me and you are asking for my help. Are we wasting time here?
What do you mean I'm not? I am just trying to save my
From
life.
whom?
Did you forget Aunt never let us come here since we were kids? There is a ghost here.
Get lost. Mom said that as a joke because she didn't want us to come to the market alone at night. It was a joke. And you still believe in ghosts? Who are you? You are a lawyer.
Mohan, how is my profession connected to my belief in ghosts? I don't fear dacoits or thieves, but I feel there's a ghost. Let's go, please.
What do you mean?
This doesn't feel right.
Feeling? Did you come here for that? Today I saw Hriday come this way. Unless I nab him in the act, I won't. I won't leave until then. He came here, but I don't know where he went.
Listen, Hriday probably got spooked by the ghost and ran away.
How can that happen?
Come,
Spooked by the
let's go
ghost.
from here.
No, you come with me. We will go and find him. must be around here somewhere.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that. Tinkling anklets. I mean, that's the sound of anklets, right? If we can hear anklets, a girl must be nearby. If it's a girl, then Hriday must have come here to meet her.
Mohan, what if it's a female ghost?
What, Ravi? A female ghost. How can that just happen? This is a market, not a graveyard. Let's go.
Mohan, listen to me. I've heard stories about this place. This market is as good as a graveyard, Mohan. People say a ghostly market is set up here at night. That's why no one comes here. Believe me, Hriday must have left too.
Oh, Shekhar, how can he leave? I know he's here. I want to catch him in the act.
Listen to me. Let's go from here before the ghost makes us dance with anklets on.
Why would she make us dance? You go and look. I'm here. Don't get scared.
Mohan, let's
Okay,
just go
okay.
from
Let me go and check. I don't get scared of anything. Just don't leave from here.
Mohan.
Hey, Shekhar. Go and see, please. Crazy guy! Why did you leave me alone? Are you crazy?
I told you it's a ghost. Why did you go in?
How do you know? It may be a witch. And you know what? I have a good equations with witches. I think she won't refuse me. Come along.
I won't go. I don't want to die.
What do you mean you won't go? What do I say to Gungun?
Mohan, tell her that her dad is back home alive and that's enough. We'll play this game some other day. Come on, let's go. Please, let's go.
I will give you not only 10 chains, but you know what? You didn't ask for it respectfully. And Hriday can't tolerate this kind of behavior. Oh, come on.
Let me go. Leave me, please.
You shouldn't have to do this. Do you know? Do you have any idea how soft my heart is?
Please spare me. Please let me go. I beg of you. Please don't kill me. I want to leave from here.
Kill you? Huh. Come on, I am not killing you. I am a soft-hearted, innocent person. Unless and until you misbehave with me. Okay?
Please let me go. Forgive me.
Come on. Oh, brother, come and listen. You forgot to take your chain. No? People are so bad these days.
Mohan? Mohan? He's not back yet. Gungun has been waiting for him for so long. Where is he?
Radha?
Yes, Aunt Kadambari.
What is it? Why do you seem so worried?
Actually, Aunt, I was looking for Mohan. The thing is, he hasn't eaten since morning. So
I am not speaking about Mohan, I am speaking about you, Radha. Radha, a girl who is going to get married in 3 days should barely be able to contain her happiness. She should be glowing with joy from within. But look at you. You seem so subdued. What is the matter?
No, Aunt. Nothing is wrong. I'm happy.
Radha, I admit we are not related to each other by blood, but we are going to give you away during your wedding. So you can treat me like your mother.
Aunt, why are you saying that? You are just like a mother to me.
Okay, if that is the case, then tell me. What are you worried about?
Aunt, I have 3 weeks, right? That is bothering me.
What do you mean?
It's all happening so fast I couldn't manage to do what I wanted to do.
Okay, fine. So tell me, what is it that you wanted to do?
I didn't come here just to spend a few days. During Mohan's engagement, I could see that he was not happy at all. I could not accept it, and so I came here to bring joy into Mohan's life. And I made 3 vows then. And I tied 3 knots. My first vow was to make Mohan believe in Mohan. I want him to have faith in Lord Krishna. The second vow I took was to end all bitterness in his relationship with Gungun. And the third vow is to ensure that Mohan is happy once again. These 3 knots are tied to signify them. But I have not been able to untie a single knot so far. What is it, Aunt?
Nothing. You have wished for great things for my dear son Mohan. Even I could not make such vows. But you are not responsible for Mohan's joy, Radha. Damini is.
Are you totally out of your mind?
You have lost your mind. I gave you such a good opportunity, but you are trying to destroy everything. Did you forget where I got you from? Did you?
This feather, Lord Krishna used to wear. Yes, Lord Krishna. My grandfather, he got this in the forest. He found this in the deep forest. And then when he touched it, he touched it actually. You know what happened?
What happened?
He heard a strange sound. He heard a voice.
Voice? What voice? What did he hear?
Said, many years later, a woman will come. Age 25, fair, and from other country, and very beautiful. Give this to her. And that woman is you. It is totally you.
Me?
Yes.
Does this belong to Lord Krishna?
Yes, 100%.
Can I take it?
No. I can't.
Why?
Because this is my good luck. I earn money. I'm a poor man.
I will give you money. Don't you worry about it. Yeah, I will give you money.
No,
Take it.
I don't want it.
Please
I don't
take it.
want it.
Please
No.
take everything. Give it to me. Give. Lord Krishna is more important than money.
Really? Okay. Hail Goddess Radha.
Radhe Radhe.
Hail Goddess Radha.
Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.
Hail Goddess Radha.
If I hadn't brought you from there, you would still be in that temple conning expats and pulling off small scams. If it weren't for me, you would be back in jail by now. Let me make myself clear, okay? If Mohan or anyone else finds out that I brought you here, then I will kill you definitely.
You are not responsible for Mohan's joy, Radha. Damini is.
Aunt Kadambari, Damini will be with Mohan all her life, right? But I have this one last chance to return Mohan's favors. Then I'm getting married to Hriday in 3 weeks. After that, I'll go far away from here. Can't you control yourself for 3 more weeks? Understand one thing very clearly, okay? If Mohan or anyone finds out that I have brought you here, then I will kill you definitely. After doing my work, you won't need to do any work in life, got it? But no, monkey never changes its behavior. Can it ever stop jumping? What would have happened had Mohan seen you today?
Mohan.
Yes, Mohan. You don't know, but he followed you here. It's good that I distracted him. Otherwise, he would have seen you hitting that guy.
Listen to me, let's go from here before the ghost makes us dance with anklets on. Listen to me, let's go from
wait,
here.
I will go and take a look. Shake.
Just go straight to the house and concentrate on the job you are here for. You just do that only. And yes, think twice before speaking or doing anything in that house, okay? You might be alone in your room, but nobody should find out who you are, where you are from, and what are you here for. Should not think of it. Understood?
Why? There is ghost or what?
There are microphones and cameras everywhere in our house. But you can consider that as a ghost. Now go.
But Damini ma'am, you have a big heart. She is continuously talking about Mohan only. And you don't know anything about her. She's getting married to me, but talking about your husband only. I think she loves Mohan only.
That is not the case. Just stay within your limits. Just do the job you are here for, okay? Getting distracted can prove to be dangerous for you, got it?
Damini, actually, big mistake you have done bringing me here. You actually don't know that the fire you are playing with, it's actually a volcano.
Hriday and his family are very fortunate. They are getting you as their daughter-in-law.
I have fully devoted to Hriday and his family, Aunt Kadambari. But I'm not indebted to Mohan alone. I am indebted to this entire family. 1.5 months. For 1.5 months, you have kept me here with love. I ate here and slept here. Even my Vidai will take place in this house. Do I have no responsibilities towards Mohan and this family? Aunt Kadambari, do you know why the bride girl throws rice over her head during her Vidai? So that along with the bride, the peace and happiness of the house do not leave from the house. I just want the right to perform that ritual. I want to leave behind unending happiness in this house and in Mohan's life.
Fine. I will help you perform all the rituals that you wish for. There's only one source of happiness in Mohan's life. It was with him from his childhood to adulthood. And Mohan never let it get separated from him. The thing was so important for Mohan that it became an integral part of her family.
What is it, Aunt Kadambari?
Come, I'll show it to you.
What happened? Did you find Hriday?
I followed him to the market. But I don't know where he went. I couldn't find him.
You should have continued looking for him. You should have searched the entire market.
Do you know how big the market is? I am a human, not a satellite. Got it?
Had I been important to you, you would have found him. You would have looked for him all over
Hey,
Vrindavan.
Gungun. Hey, shh. Wait. Please listen to me. It's possible that he's a good man. Maybe we're looking for a problem where there is none. I mean there is no problem.
Of course, there is a problem. The problem is that he wants to take Radha away from here. And I will not let Radha leave from here.
I know, Gungun. I want the same thing, but...
But what? Have you ever cared about me? That you will do that now? Please don't pretend to be on my team, Mohan. Because you are not. This is my fight alone. No one is with me, not even you.
Gungun! Gungun! Damn it.
I hope Mohan does not see me, otherwise he'll pester me by calling me a mad old woman.
A flute.
You know, Radha, it is said that a child shows its capabilities in a cradle. I still remember the day when my dear Mohan was 1 year old. During the Annaprashan ritual, things like a ball, an account book, and a flute were kept in front of him. And you know what did Mohan lay his hand on first?
Flute.
Since that day, this flute and Mohan belong to each other.
Mohan used to play his flute during happy as well as sad times.
Tulsi could not sleep without hearing the tune of Mohan's flute. Mohan would sit next to her and play the flute for her lovingly every single night.
Mohan! Mohan, I am unable to sleep. You can sleep if you want to, but don't force
Come
me.
on. It's almost midnight. Were you a vampire in your past life?
Vampire?
Vampire? The ones that bite?
Mohan, Look at the time, dear. It is so late. And why are you two talking so loudly?
Not me, she's
No,
shouting.
mother, he's shouting.
Tulsi,
I didn't do
Mohan.
anything.
Okay.
Mother, I don't feel sleepy and he is forcing me to sleep.
What do you mean by forcing? Mom, she does not sleep before 3 a.m. But I will make her sleep tonight. How can you say you cannot sleep? Get up. I mean, you are already up.
What?
Jump in. 1, 2, 3.
Hey,
Hey,
Mohan,
what are you
what are you doing?
I'm putting her to sleep. She will sleep as children do. Sleep, my dear child. Sleep, my dear child. Come on,
Hey,
sleep.
Mohan.
Yeah.
How can anyone sleep like this?
What do I do? Should I drop her?
Mohan, what are you doing? She'll get hurt.
Tell me, Mom, what do I do?
Try doing what you haven't done yet.
What have I not tried yet?
The thing that gives you happiness.
Something that I haven't tried. Oh.
Mohan?
And since that day, Mohan would play the flute for Tulsi every night, and Tulsi would sleep soundly. But then one day,
Tulsi passed away.
and after that day, both this flute and Tulsi went far from Mohan. Radha, you wish to see happiness on Mohan's face, right? Just for once, convince Mohan to play this flute, and then after that, you'll see a different side of Mohan that you would have never imagined.
You will see the Mohan who I fell in love with.
Perhaps that Mohan who gave me my Bhagavad Gita. Fine then. I will bring music back into Mohan's life.
Radha, Mohan left music because of me. If you manage to bring music back into his life, then the burden on my heart will ease a lot.
My dear, you shouldn't stop anyone from drinking water. It amounts to sinning, and some widows can even curse you.
That is okay. But first you tell me, why were you trembling upon seeing Mohan today?
I wasn't trembling.
That's a lie. I've noticed something in the past few days. You hide your face when you see Mohan around, and your scalp has become itchy out of the blue. What are you hiding?
What is there to hide?
Then why do you get so scared upon seeing Mohan?
My face is only like that. Hey, Pumpkin, look at your daughter. What question she is asking me?
long will you run, Aunt Kaveri? I'll surely find out what you are hiding.
Have you ever cared about me? That you will do that now? No one is with me, not even you.
Mohan?
Come, Radha.
You took a long time.
I had gone to meet Shekhar.
What happened?
Nothing.
Did Gungun say something?
That's the thing. She said what she always says. I don't love her. I don't care about her. I thought our relationship was progressing. I thought there was a chance for our relationship to be like that of dad and a daughter, but I thought she would understand that I loved her a lot. After taking 2 steps forward, I end up taking 4 steps back. The truth is that my daughter Gungun, she hates me even today. On top of that,
Go on, Mohan.
on top of that, the person who I thought would fix everything between Gungun and me and would make my life normal again is going away from me. What can I expect from others?
Who?
Fool, it's you. You're getting married. After you leave, how would I handle Gungun? She's... Everything is getting messed up. It feels as if the sand is slowly slipping through my fingers. And I'm not able to do anything. The real truth is that happiness doesn't want to come into my life. And
How will it come, Mohan? You have caged your happiness.
what do you mean?
Mohan, there was a time when you used to play this flute to persuade and put Tulsi to sleep. And she used to sleep. Mohan, do you know what the solution to every problem of yours is? This flute. You used to play this flute whenever you were troubled, right? And all your problems would go away. Not just yours, but also of those around you. Because it used to make you happy. And wherever the tune of your flute went, your happiness followed. Do you remember all that, Mohan? So now come on, Mohan. Turn yourself to music. Turn your sadness into happiness. This music will bring you and Gungun closer.
You haven't understood this for years. How will you get it now? There is no one in this house you can turn to except me. You are wrong, Mohan. Our relationship ended long back. If you want to ignore the truth that's so obvious, it's okay. But I don't want such a life.
What will you do? Will you hit me? Or will you finish me? Like you finished my mom. Do you think you can do anything? Because you are my dad? You are not my dad. I hate you.
Help me! Mohan! Ah!
You have no right to interfere in this matter. Also, you have no right to bring up my past which I have buried. Yes, after you came, the bitterness between Gungun and I reduced, but you don't know. You don't know that this flute reminds me of painful memories, not good memories. It reminds me of the woman who killed herself, and as well as the old Mohan. Do you want me to suffer every day because of this flute? From now onwards, don't ever speak about this flute or that woman again. Tulsi is dead, so let her be dead. And the Mohan you wish to see have already died along with Tulsi. So I am not the murderer. It's Tulsi, right? And a murderer's name should not be taken here.
Making her stupid actually easier than snatching a chocolate from a kid. She easily becoming a dumb.
Hriday, what is it?
What?
Blood? How did blood get on your chain?
What has happened? Why does that Mohan want to rush to Radha? Did that guy Hriday mess things up?
This hair was telling me something. It told me that it was with you at the temple that day.
Whatever you are proving, do it quick. Because I don't have much time. We are coming home.
Okay, done.
The way he's spying on you is disrespectful to us and the groom's family.
His father and daughter both are after my life. I'm so pissed off. I have to kill her right here. Let's see if her father can track their death or not.